I don't hang around none but gorillas though. Burberry chinchilla coat, bag roll full of expensive dope. How the fuck you feeling? Whoa, who want act like she know me now? Tell me she won't throw me down. You gon' have to show me now. You gon' have to show.
It's your boy Icon checking everybody go crazy. Watch this shit. Those 94 cents? God damn. What's this? What is these? You know what these is? You know what these is?
There's slip sinkers for. What are you gonna fish for?
Okay.
Something like this, you just a small, something like this right here. You're gonna put it under a float, worm or something like that. Right there, for you need.
Oh, that's what that's for.
You're gonna go
All
for
right.
bass. You need something up in this like this right in here.
Oh.
You throw it on out there and let it hit and drag it.
Raising in this bit. My legs hurt so bad, but I need this. It's for our mailbox, and I need this one. No. I need 3 knives. That's what I need. No, get off my phone. God damn, my freaking legs hurt.
You been running or?
Yeah, I've been running.
Cap.
There you go. I'll make your legs.
Is this
I
a
mean, you haven't
pencil? What do
been
you do with
doing
this
it
pencil?
Very long.
Huh?
Huh?
If your legs are, that means you haven't been doing it very long.
Yeah.
Get used to it.
Yeah. So females just be having pencils? That's what that is? God damn, I just got some chocolate and shit. I'm about to go crazy with this shit. Before I just get shit out of clip. Dang, why you say that? Shout out to
The Wheeling Agency.
the Wheeling Agency. Yeah, they said
Matthew
it.
Wheeler.
Yeah.
And Jake Freeman.
Come at me.
Get at them. No cap.
Shout out my boy Eric Jordan.
Yeah, shout out to everybody. I just got some chocolate. That shit better be good. I
was
better not
$1
use the
at the
bathroom later. Back to the regular paid program.
Hop in the Benzo, shirt by Kenzo, clip extendo, where my friends go. It's a vibe.